Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am putting towards family members, my household, vacation, emergency, all those fun things. So let's get started. I think we just right at the beginning here. So first is my daughter. This says $75 created by Budget with Carly. And let's do this one. And that is a 6. Five and 6. Let me move these markers out the way before I knock them over. So $6. And we almost finished with this one. Next is for my son. And this is created by Lemon Ivy, say $60. So let's go right in the middle. Oh, we got a nice 2. I like that. That is cute. And I thought this was so funny because my son did decide he is a senior in high school and he have decided to join the Space Force. Yay! So yes, he will be joining the Space Force once he graduates. So I am excited about that. Excited and nervous, you know. But I'm more excited than anything. Next is this saving challenge created by Janelle Ray Budget, say 60 plus. Let's do one over here. And that is a 5. And if I didn't mention, my daughter is also, she's in college, studying to be a nurse also. Right next we have hubby. And it says $55 created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Let's do one on this side. Let's do this one. And that is a 4. And we got a $1. Yes, we do. So let's put this $1 back and grab a 5. Oh, we're doing pretty good. Let's put these 2 5s back and grab this 10. Feel like I should do another one, but we'll come back around. So this one is just one more episode, I swear. This is created by Mischief Managed Budgets, and I am saving for our home. So anything we need in our home. And let's scratch this one. And it says $120 with each card. I believe there are 15 cards. So that is a 3. Feel like I should do another one. 1, 2, and 3. How many cards I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. 7, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 cards. I kind of want to do another one. We shall see. So next we have And So the Adventure Begins. And this is this is saving for any adventures that we have coming. Next year we are planning to do a big trip before my son goes off to boot camp. So let's see. Should we just finish these? Both of these are created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Let's see if we can finish this. Okay, we have $1. Let's do one over here. That's 4, so that's 5. Another 5. So that's 10. And another 5. Wow. So $15. I think that's it. 15. We end up getting 5, 5, 5. So 15. So we got 5, 10, 15. And we should have 65. Let's see what's the math correct. 20, 40, 55, 60. Did I not do that right? Oh dear. I got here, that's a 5, 10, 15, right? It should be 55, right? 20, 40, 5, 55. Oh yeah, that's right, 55. Okay. Whew. Oh, I don't know what I said before. So yes, $55 in a completed challenge. Yay. So that will go into our adventure seeking fund. All right, what we got? We got 10, 11. We got a lot of money left. Okay. Let's go ahead and draw another card. And that is a 4. I think I need to add some batteries to that. So $4. Put $1 back and grab a 5. Okay. What else should we do? Another one on... Ooh, I'm kind of nervous. Let's do another one on here. Okay, 3. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, I skipped a whole... Oh, my goodness. What am I doing? So let's put this $3 on here. I forgot a whole challenge. I forgot the emergency. How did I go from the vacation and skip the emergency? So this is A Life of a Duck Named Wood, created by Snow Gardener 307. And we are doing What the Fire. I should be able to finish this one. Let's see. We got 5. Oh dear. Okay. And 5. Okay, all these 5s. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So $10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we still got like $8 left. So this is completed. And I have a little tracker here, how much I got in emergency funds so far. I am going to go through this whole binder and put trackers in it. So I have completed, I think it was this page. And I don't remember. We still got some more on here. But I'm just going to take out what we got so far. So we got, or should I not count? I'm just going to take out the 25. Let's take out the 25. And then, did I already count this? Because it's at the bottom. I don't know. Because this one is only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one is this one? 10, 11, $12. I don't remember. I'll figure that out. But for now, I'm going to put just the $25 on here. Well, I'm not going to put anything until I figure it out. I'll let you guys know next week. But we did finish with the fire, so that is awesome. So I think we are going to do the back to school side. Or finish, maybe we finish this one. I don't know. You guys know I don't know. I just go with the flow. So $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. What should we do to 8? Just put it into our 100 envelopes. Should I scratch it? No, that one got some 9s on it. Don't want to do that one. No. Yeah, we just put it into our 100 envelopes. And this is also created by Snow Gardener 307. So we'll put $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. So $8 into here. And get a marker. $8. Perfect. See how I'm filling up these 100 envelopes? I like it doing it that way. It's better. It's less hassle of trying to do that, the 100 envelope challenge to me. Others can do it, I can't. I have attempted and it didn't go so well. All right, gems, that is my family binder. We did finish the adventure, what is it called? Let the Adventures Begin category. So I will put that money towards our vacation funds or our adventures funds. So I am excited about that. Thank you, gems, once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.